Hello and welcome, guys. My name is Frank, musician photographer here in the Midwest, and today we are going to do an unboxing of the Zecti rig for your phone. Now let's have a look. Alright, so what you use this for is for your phone if you want to adapt some lenses. Now this is just an unboxing, so I'm not going to actually demonstrate the phone part. I'm going to do that on a separate video, so let's just have a look. Alright, so there it is. Alright, so my first impressions, see what we got here. We got the instructions. Those are very useful. So yeah, let's have a look right there, and it step by step on how to set it up with your phone and how to set it up with a lens, which I got the lens here as well. So let's have a look. Now if you saw my previous unboxing, you saw the lens, which was Beastgrip lens. Now let's have a look. Alright, so what's my first impression? Okay, so it's not completely plastic, not metal. There are some metal pieces to it. It looks very nice. You will hold it like this with your phone, go in there. Now, this is a much cheaper version than the Beastgrip. The Beastgrip went for, I believe, close to $100, and this one was $27. So it's a big difference to me. And since I've never tried or owned the one before, just to give it a test run, I wanted to get something that was a lot cheaper, and then if it didn't work, then I wouldn't be out. But anyways, let's get going and see how we attach the lens. So I have the lens here. This is the Beastgrip lens. And essentially what it does, it will give you a wide angle. So if you're going to be filming with your phone, you can give your phone a much wider angle than the capability of the lens of the phone. So there is the Beastgrip. Now if you saw my unboxing of the Beastgrip lens, go check that out so you can see it in further detail. But let's have a look at how it attaches to the rig. So alright, so you're going to take off the cap from behind, then screws on just like that. Obviously it's got the macro part to it right now, and that's what it looks like with the lens attached. Alright, so if you were filming with your phone, this is exactly what it would look like if you were putting your phone in. Obviously you would need to take the case off, and that's what I would do in my situation, and then you can just adjust where you need the lens to be. Now obviously there's a clip that goes on here, and that's exactly how your phone will look right on there. So if you were filming, it's very convenient. So you have all the controls right here on this spot, and you can easily get to them. Right, so if you were using, for example, I use open camera to do my filming, I can easily get to the controls just by touching the screen, and essentially the lens will give you a wide angle view. So that's what it looks like as it's attached. Now obviously I'm going to have sample footage and some sample photographs as well to show you exactly how it works, and already it also works as a stabilizer. Here's another nice thing about it. It's got this little bubble leveler right on the top, so it shows you exactly when you're level. So I think that's a very nice touch. So there it is, guys. This is a Zecti video rig. I highly recommend it. Let's see how much use I can get out of it. Obviously, like I said, it feels a bit plasticky, but it's kind of in the middle. So plasticky, but then hard. So I'm looking forward to using it. I'm looking forward to making some videos and some photography with it. So I'm very excited and glad I can show it to you guys in this video. Now, if you have this rig, let me know in the comments. Let me know if you used it and how long it's lasted you. I'll be happy to know. And any feedback, you guys got any questions, let me know. And please check out my previous videos where I did the unboxing for the Beastgrip lens. Alright guys, I'm going to cut this out. Thanks so much for joining me on this unboxing. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.